Unrelenting military and the police siege imposed by the Hindutva Indian government since 5th August 2019 continues to inflict heavy casualties on the daily lives of the people in the occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service highlighted the violation of the international law by the BJP-led Indian government in the occupied territory, revealing that the Indian troops, paramilitary and the police personnel have martyred 859 Kashmiris, including 17 women, during this period. All parties Hurriyat Conference has paid tribute to the Kashmiri martyrs and the noted Kashmiri physician Dr. Abdul Ahad Guru on the 31st martyrdom anniversary while urging the resolution of the Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas described the Kashmir as the root cause of tension in the South Asian region. Posters carrying an appeal to the people of occupied Kashmir have emerged, urging them to wake up and refrain from selling their properties, including the land, to the non-Kashmiris to safeguard the future of the generations from the anti-Kashmir agendas of the Hindutva regime led by the RSS BJP in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, these posters have appeared in Srinagar and Baramulla areas. Under the guise of the sham polls, the Indian Army and the paramilitary troops conducted the flag marches across the occupied Kashmir with the sole aim to terrorize the people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian occupational forces conducted the flag marches in Budgam, Srinagar and other parts of the occupied Kashmir. Protest demonstrations were held in Srinagar and the Kulgam districts against the anti-people policies of the Modi-led Indian regime in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Communist Party of India Marxist held a protest rally in the Kulgam district, while a protest demonstration was also held in Srinagar. A young man was found dead at the new bus stand in the Udhampur today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the deceased was identified as Maniram. Kashmir-Palestine Solidarity Conference was organized by Abdul Rashid Turabi, chairman of the Kashmir-Palestine Solidarity Forum. According to Kashmir Media Service, Palestinian leader Dr. Khalid Kadumi addressed the conference. Oil tanker drivers and the cleaners staged a protest in the Jammu region against the deprivation of the Kashmiri people of their political rights. According to Kashmir Media Service, led by the Paramjit Singh, large number of the tanker drivers and the cleaners gathered outside the oil depot in Jammu, voicing their grievances against the authorities.